Hey, this is John Johnson from Iron Cross Training and Fitness, where we build strong bodies, strong minds, and strong faith. I wanted to share with you a quick little winter outdoor workout that I do. I'll just show a sample of it, not the whole workout, because it takes about 20 to 30 minutes to get through. But basically, first I wanted to go over when you're working out outdoors, dress properly. I dress in layers. It's in my backyard. I know when I'm done I can go inside, but you want to make sure you have layers on so you stay warm. Once you get going, you'll be heated up enough. You can start stripping down a little bit. Tools, I'm using a sledgehammer, an 8-pound sledgehammer with a 10-pound Olympic plate and a large tire. I haven't weighed it. I'm thinking it's about 200 pounds. Anyways, the workout consists of 50 sledgehammer swings each side, 10 pushes and 10 drags to get it all the way across the yard, and then 10 pushes and 10 drags all the way back. And I repeat that 4 or 5 times. Again, I'm just doing a sample of it, so I'm going to do 10 swings each arm, 10 pushes, 10 drags, so you have an idea of what it looks like. Okay, here it goes. That's the workout. Some outdoor fun. If you have the tools, give it a shot. Peace.